oil platform in the middle of the sea. Inventory chaos was sinking operations fast. Spare parts vanished without a trace. Stockouts stopped work. Overstock drained profits. Then disaster struck. A critical pump failed, and there was no replacement in sight. But in the darkest moment, Mike found a lifeline, an ERP inventory module. Real-time tracking showed exactly what was in stock and predicted shortages before they hit. Smart automation reordered parts instantly, cutting waste and freeing working capital. Efficiently manage your items and stock with Axiever's versatile inventory module. Inventory lets you instantly check stock by selecting a store and viewing real-time availability. Receiving records goods against purchase orders, including partial deliveries and rejected items. All modules are connected, so data is reused, errors are reduced, and work becomes faster and simpler. Shipping manages delivery instructions, addresses, and package details for smooth dispatch. RMA handles product returns by sales order or delivery note, allowing easy updates and direct email to customers. Together, these features simplify inventory, speed up operations, and improve customer service. Every location synced perfectly. Rigs, depots, and suppliers working as one. The pump was fixed. Shutdown was avoided. Operations were back on track. From chaos to control, the ERP inventory module became their anchor in the storm. Control your inventory, protect your profits, power your operations. Axiever, smart, simple, affordable.